Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 11 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the letters of Kalkala. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is the meaning of Kalkala in the Holy Quran. How many letters of Kalkala are there in the Holy Quran? What is their combined form? When Kalkala letters is sakin. And how do we pronounce the Kalkala letters when they are sakin? We will learn all these things in this lesson with example. What is the meaning of Kalkala in the Holy Quran? Viewers, the meaning of Kalkala is movement. There should be some movement at the makhraj, places where the letters are pronounced, such that the sound echoes. It means when we pronounce the Kalkala letters, our sound should be echoes. How many letters of Kalkala are there in the Holy Quran? Viewers, there are 5 Kalkala letters in the Holy Quran, and they are Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. I repeat, there are 5 letters of Kalkala in the Holy Quran, and they are Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. When we join all these 5 Kalkala letters, we get the combined form of Kalkala letters, which can be pronounced as Kutubu Jaddin. When we combine all 5 Kalkala letters, we get the combined form can be pronounced as Kutubu Jaddin. Kutubu Jaddin. When Kalkala letter is sakin. Viewers, when Kalkala letters have jazm or sukoon sign on it, then Kalkala letters are sakin. Any letter which has this jazm sign or sukoon sign, that letter becomes sakin. Here all 5 Kalkala letters are sakin because each has jazm sign or sukoon sign on it. This jazm sign or sukoon sign always placed above the letter or top of the letter. How do we pronounce the Kalkala letters when they are sakin? In the Holy Quran, when Kalkala letters are sakin, Kalkala should be more clear. How we pronounce, this is the example of Kalkala sakin letter. Here ba has jazm sign on it. Therefore ba is sakin here and ba is Kalkala letter. How do we pronounce? Let's learn with spelling. Hamza ba zabar ab, Hamza ba zir ib, हमज़ा ब पेश उब, अब, इब, उब. I repeat, अब, इब, उब. This is the example of Kalkala Sakin letter, how we pronounce the Kalkala Sakin letter in the Holy Quran. Our sound should be more clear. Let's learn with spelling. Hamza ba zabar ab, Hamza ba zir ib, Hamza ba pesh ub, ab, ib, ub. Our sound should be more clear. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, in coming videos we will learn more example of Kalkala letters and Kalkala Sakin letters. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com and also share this video and subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.